Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:08 p.m. severe thunderstorm was located near Greentown, or 10 miles north of Mount Pocono, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poppock, South Canyon, Sterling, Hawley, Greentown, Ledgerdale, Treslarville, Angels, Lake Ariel, and Arlington. First floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Pike and Wayne. A